Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about ingredients in skincare, retinol. You've probably seen it on the shelves, maybe even in your favorite creams like the Advanced Clinical Retinol Firming Cream. But what exactly is retinol? How does it work? Is it really the miracle everyone claims it to be? Stick with me till the end because I'll break it down. I'm going to break everything down that you need to know, from science to benefits to how to use it safely in your routine. All right, so if this is something that interests you, ensure that you watch this video till the end. All right, now let's get into the video proper. What is retinol? Retinol is a derivative of vitamin A and it belongs to a group of compounds called retinoids. All right, now dermatologists often call it the gold standard of anti-aging ingredient because it is one of the most researched and effective treatments available. All right, now how does retinol works? Retinol works at the cellular level. All right, meaning that it doesn't just sit on the surface of your skin. Instead, it penetrates deep to encourage faster cell turnover. Think of it like giving your skin a fresh reset button. Okay, whether it's an old skin, whether it's a dull skin, whether your skin is tough. Okay, now retinol makes it shed quicker and new healthy cell take place quickly. Now, what are the key benefits of retinol? I'm sure you've been asking yourself this question. Let me break it down to you. Now, let's talk about the benefits and trust me, the list is long. The list is long. You may not be able to exhaust it, but I'll try. Number one benefit is what? Anti-aging. Retinol boosts collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm and bouncy. As we age, collagen naturally declines, okay? But retinol helps slow the process down. If you understand what I mean, you're aging, your skin is aging, your collagen level is decreasing, but retinol helps slowing this process down. Number two benefit of retinol is what? Is wrinkle reduction. With consistent use, when you use retinol consistently, retinol will visibly reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, especially around the eye area and the mouth area. I'm sure some of you that are up to 25, you understand what I mean, okay? The third benefit of retinol is what? Even skin tone. Retinol is that ingredient that will provide you a uniform skin and even skin tone, okay? It is a powerhouse, a power solution for hyperpigmentation, dark spots, sun damage. It helps fade those dark marks over time, leaving a more even complexion, okay? Now, the next benefit of retinol is what? Acne control. Did you know that retinol also helps with breakouts by unclogging pores and regulating oil from the surface of your skin? Yeah, it's effective for adults, acne, and as well post-acne scars. So if you find yourself having any of these issues, fall back to retinol. The next benefit of retinol is what? Smooth texture. Why? Because retinol encourages faster cell renewal, okay? It's smoothing rough patches, making your skin feel softer and look more radiant. So if you're having issues with patches on your skin, now you know the best ingredients to use. Now, this is why creams like Advanced Clinical, here it is, in case you don't know what I'm talking about, Advanced Clinical Retinol Firming Cream is so popular. This is why the cream is so popular. Why? Because they combine retinol's power with hydrating ingredients to balance the intensity, okay? This is what I use, in case you're asking what retinol I use. Now, let's go to how to use retinol safely, okay? Now I'm going to tell you the real deal. Retinol isn't magic. It doesn't work overnight. It takes time and consistency, okay? But more importantly, you need to use it correctly to avoid irritation. So that is what I'm going to do next. I'm going to tell you how to use this body lotion correctly. Now, here are some golden rules if you must use retinol, be it the advanced clinical retinol or any other brand, okay? Number one is to start slow. If you're new, begin with 2 to 3 nights a week. As your skin builds tolerance, you can increase frequency as time goes by, okay? Number two is what? Nighttime only. Retinol breaks down in sunlight, so apply it in your evening routine, not during the day. Number three is what? Moisturize. Retinol can cause dryness or flaky skin. So what do? Always follow up with a rich moisturizer. I always say it. If you've been watching my videos, I always say this. Number four is what? Never skip sunscreen. This is non-negotiable. Retinol makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. So SPF during the day is a must. Number five golden rule is what? Be patient. It takes up to 8 to 12 weeks to start seeing results. I mean, to start seeing visible results, visible improvements. Think long term, not quick fixes. Retinol is not the kind of ingredient you use today and see results tomorrow. If you're not patient, this retinol will not work for you. All right, if you're not patient, it will not work for you. So as I've been using this particular body lotion for quite a while now. If you've been following me, you know I've been using this particular body lotion for quite a while, and I'm still using it. That is what we call patience. That is what we call patience. Now, who should use retinol? So who can benefit from retinol? Pretty much anyone in their mid-20s and above who is looking to prevent or to reduce signs of aging. It's also fantastic for those dealing with uneven skin tone, acne scars, or sun damage. However, if you're pregnant or you're breastfeeding or you have extremely sensitive skin, you should check with your dermatologist before using retinol, okay? I won't advise pregnant women or breastfeeding mothers to use retinol, so take notes. Now, let's go back to advanced clinical retinol firming cream. What makes it stand out? What makes this particular body lotion stand out? Well, because it combines retinol with emollients and hydrating agents, which means you get all the firming and smoothing benefits of retinol without the harsh or dryness that can come with strong formulations of retinol, if you understand what I mean. Okay, another thing is because it's effective, it's affordable, it's beginner friendly, and it's a great option if you want to add retinol into your routine without investing in high-end products. All right, so there you have it, the complete breakdown of retinol, how it works, why the cream like the advanced clinical retinol firming cream are so effective. Remember, skincare is not marathon, okay? It is not a sprint. It is with consistency, with patience, and the right application that you will get effective results. Retinol can completely transform your skin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your biggest skincare struggle. Who knows? Your question might be the topic of my next video. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. I remain your beautiful Jennifer Chris. All right, so if you have any questions, any contributions, put it in the comments. Someone might just be there learning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay glowing.